Okay, the 3 points, the points A, B, C, D are okay. The points A and B are plot and label the points C and D. Okay, okay, will do. C, 8, 4. D, 3, 6. Write the coordinates of the points A and B in the space below. Okay, A is 1, 1, and B is 6 minus 1. Paulina wants to prove that ABCD is actually a square. Show that AB equals BC. Okay, so she wants to prove that it's a square. So we want the length of AB. So using the distance formula, AB, that's 1 minus 6 is minus 5, squared is 25. 1 minus 1 is 2, squared is 4, so that's root 29. And then CD, isn't it? No, BC. BC is root 6 minus 8 is minus 2 squared is 4. And then minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5 squared is 25. So there you go. That's done. Without measuring the diagram, show that AB is perpendicular to BC. Okay, the slope for AB, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, minus 2 over 5. And then BC, 4 minus 1 over 8 minus 6, 5 over 2. And when you multiply them together, minus 2 over 5 times 5 over 2, you get minus 1, so therefore perpendicular. Karen makes the following statement. Every parallelogram is a square. Is it false? I mean, is it true? No, it's false because I mean, okay. Every parallelogram is a square. That's a false. It could be a rectangle or not even a rectangle, but something. Okay. It could be a rectangle or I mean, I don't even know how to answer this because obviously not every parallelogram is a square because then a parallelogram would be a square. It doesn't make sense. If every parallelogram was a square, because then it would be a square. It's just a ridiculous question. I don't even know how to seriously answer this. Write down the converse of his statement. Okay, let me think of converse. So, inverse, let me just try and remember this. A implies B. So I think the inverse is not A to not B. The converse is B to A. And the contrapositive is not B to not A. I think it's backwards, isn't it? B to A. So the converse would be every square is a rectangle. That's the converse. think so. Think so.